So the first thing you're going to do is open a new slides presentation and go to Page Setup. You want to drop down to Custom and add the size of a paper. So 8.5 by 11 for portrait, or 11 by 8.5 if you want your book in landscape. After that, I'm going to go to the slide and layout and change it to a blank sheet. I'm going to add a text box and start choosing some of my items for the book. In this case, I chose a font and a size, and I'm starting to work on the title. I can change the size, placement, and even the color of the font. Next, I'm going to add images. I'm going to go to the Insert menu, Image. I can upload from Google Drive, where I have saved some photos for this project. I suggest that you collect images that you might want to use into a folder so it's easy to get them. I can grab a single image, or I can grab more than one at once. Next, I'll rearrange and resize the images. I will use the Arrange tool to move images behind and in front of other images. I'll resize and crop images until I like the way they look. Notice that most of the images I'm using either have a white background or no background at all. I will show you how I changed an image to remove the background. I use a website called Remove Background. I find an image I want. And I can upload it into the app. Once the image is in, it will automatically remove the background, and if I like it, I can download it and then use it in my next picture. The best images are those with a clear line between a color of the background and the image itself. The less busy the background, the better it works. Then it's just a matter of arranging your images until you have a design that you like. You're going to continue working, adding images and text to each individual slide. Remember that you can crop images to shapes, layering text boxes and images to create the pages for your book. For a nonfiction book, I may want to include a chart or graph to represent some data. I am going to use some data from this Veterinary Association website about companion animals and the number of dogs, cats, birds, or horses owned by households. For a nonfiction book project, you may want to include some data in the form of a chart or a graph, or in another way that is visually interesting. I'm going to use data from this veterinary website about the percent of households that own dogs, cats, birds, or horses. I have copied that data into a Google spreadsheet. I'm going to highlight the data, and I'm going to go insert a chart to create a chart for my book. Google will choose the best chart it thinks will work with your data, but you can change that. This is a column chart. I might want a pie chart or a bar chart. I kind of like the bar chart because I want it to stand out that dogs were the most popular animal. I can now start to customize this chart. I like the 3D style. I can fix up the title. Now change some of the other items too. Make sure you check around in the customization menu to see what features you can change and what you like. Once you have the chart the way you want it, you can download it. Choose the PNG, that's an image file. Now it's easy to insert into your book. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email Ms. Faye or call the Student Learning Center. Happy creating!